Hi students, in the last two videos we have studied about electric current and potential difference. Electric current is the flow of charge. Potential difference, the charge is flowing from one point to another point. Now there is a relationship between current and potential difference. That only one of the scientists, his name is George Simon Ohm. He related the two words, that is electricity and potential difference. He made one of the law that is called Ohm's Law. So today we are going to study about Ohm's Law. What is Ohm's Law? First of all, we can see what's the definition of Ohm's Law. Potential difference is directly proportional to the current in a given temperature. If potential difference increases, current also will be increases. It is directly proportional. If you draw the graph related regarding this potential difference and current, here you can see x-axis is current and y-axis is potential difference. If you draw the graph, you will get straight line. This straight line shows if the potential difference is increases, current also will be increased. So it is called directly proportional. So V directly proportional I. Next you can write V by I is equal to a constant. For this directly proportional, you can write constant. Now, instead of this constant, you can write V by I is equal to R. You can write like this also, R is equal to V by I. From this, R is equal to V by I. Next, you can write V is equal to IR. Then I is equal to V by R. So, all these formulas or the equations you can use in the numericals, but now we need R is equal to V by I. So here you can see what is R. As we know, V is equal to potential difference and I is equal to electric current. Now here we got one of the constant that is called R. So R is a constant for the given metallic wire at a given temperature. So that only you can say resistance. So R is the resistance. What is resistance? Resistance is the constant. It's a constant proportionality and it is the property of a conductor to resist the flow of charge. It is the property of the conductor to resist the flow of charge. Now, next we can study what is the SI unit of this resistance. So, what is the SI unit of resistance? Resistance SI unit is ohm. It is written as like this, and the SI unit you can study, it is ohm. Next you can study what is the SI unit. What's the formula for 1 ohm? So 1 ohm is equal to, here we have written R is equal to V by I. SI unit of resistance is ohm. So 1 ohm is equal to potential difference. What's the SI unit of potential difference? Volt. So here you can write 1 volt divided by 1 ampere. So this is called 1 ohm. Here you can see R is equal to V by I. It means resistance is equal to potential difference divided by current. Here you can see by the help of this formula you can understand resistance is directly proportional to potential difference but inversely proportional to the current. If resistance is more, current will be less. If the resistance is more in a circuit, current will be less. Current will be half. Current will be less. It means you can understand in a good conductor, resistance will be very low. In a conductor, if the resistance is low, then you can say it's a good conductor. If the resistance is more in a conductor, that conductor is not used as a good conductor. So by the help of these formulas, here you can solve some of the numericals. In a circuit, here you can see in the circuit, the current I is equal to 24 ampere and volt is equal to 220 volt. Now we have to find out this resistance. So according to this diagram you can write I is equal to 24 ampere and V is equal to 220 volt. Now what we have to find out? R we have to find out. What is the formula? R is equal to V by I. So what is V? 220 divided by 24. So when you divide by 24, you will get the answer 9.1 the SI unit of resistance is ohm. So this is the answer. Now one more numerical you can see here. How much current will an electric bulb draw from a 220 volt source if the resistance of the bulb filament is 1200 ohm. Now according to the question, first you can write what they have given. So first you can write here 220 volt. It means V is equal to 220 volt. Now next what you can see, 1200 ohm. It means resistance is equal to R is equal to 1200 ohm. Now what we have to find out, how much current. So I is equal to, we have to find out. So what's our formula? Here you can see I is equal to V by R. I is equal to V by R. So what is V here? 220 divided by 1200. You will get the answer 0.18. So what we have found here, that is I. What is the unit? Ampere. So answer is I is equal to 0.18 ampere. Now here we have studied resistance. Resistance is the property. It is used to resist the flow of charge. Sometimes it can be increased, sometimes it can be decreased. It cannot be stable. So there are some instrument which is used to control this resistance. So here you can see one of the instrument, that is called a rheostat. Rheostat, it is used to control the current flowing in a circuit. It is used to control current flowing in a circuit. Now next you can see variable resistors. It is used to control either the current or voltage in a circuit. It means resistance cannot be more, cannot be increased, it cannot be decreased. No, if it is more, if the resistance is more in a conductor, that you can say it is a bad conductor for the electricity. So this you can understand about the Ohm's law. Thank you.